Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add another Instagram account to your phone. So first we're going to load up Instagram right here, just simply going to open up the app. And then once we are inside the application, we want to click on our profile icon at the bottom right corner. Alright, so once we're taken to our profile, here we want to click on the three lines at the top right corner. And then the first option right here is settings and privacy. We need to click on it. Okay, so once we're taken to the settings and privacy tab, at the very top we should see accounts center. So we navigate to it, accounts center. And then as you can see under profiles, we get the option to add more accounts. So click on add more accounts. And here you should see either add a Facebook account or add an Instagram account. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to add an Instagram account. So click on it and it should automatically detect if you have already or previously entered any Instagram accounts. So if this is not your Instagram account, all you have to do is click on not you. And then you log in with your information on the website that you are taken to. So that is how you add another account to your phone. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.